Look at that, it's a new video.
What's up, everybody? So today I have a new video for you guys. So recently my controller broke, and I have like sticky controller or sticky joystick, and what that basically means is like I'll look up randomly, like watch this. So I'm not even gonna touch anything. I'll just start looking up. Yeah, that shit. It's annoying. So I thought I'd show you guys how to fix it. It's pretty simple. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you want to take out the batteries on this bad boy. Perfectly good batteries, and that we need them. Slide that bad boy back on there. And you kind of just, you want to do this. Like, it's pretty simple, but yeah. Fuck you for not working. Now you just kind of want to just make sure. Fuck you, controller. You just want to go to your car. This is the very important part. Alright, goodbye, controller. Just fuck you. Actually, hold on. Let's just go ahead and... There we go. That should help. Alright. Perfect. I don't know the words. That's okay with me. It's not in the way that you blah 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 blah. If only I knew the words to this song, it would be great, and then I would sing all the time for this. Oh, that I love isn't always on time. Alright, now we gotta just pull into this store right here. The motherland. Out of the doorway, the bullets rip to the sound of the beat. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust. And another one gone, and another one gone. Another one bites the dust. And now you just put the batteries back in. And good as new. Perfect. Alright, well, I hope that helped you guys out. And first off, I just want to thank my mom for giving me the money to do this, and also calling my video gay. Alright, well, that's it. That's all I got. Because I had to reload because I had to waste a whole clip on him. Okay. And the controller looks better. Hold on here. Alright, I don't think you're feeling very sticky anymore.